In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create a social proof animation in Framer. This technique can make your web page look more professional and appealing by creating a dynamic element on your display. It's a great way to gain your visitors' trust by showcasing the parties that support or endorse your content or product. Our journey starts by adding your visual elements to a stack on your Framer canvas. What are these elements? Well, they can be anything from logo designs from customers who have used your service or product to avatars of noted personnel endorsing your brand. Why a stack, you ask? A stack is a handy component in Framer that enables you to arrange elements in a neat and tidy order. So, make sure to place all your creative social proof images inside this stack. Once you have your stack ready, it's now time to animate these images in a ticker-like fashion. How do you do this? With your carefully arranged stack selected, pay attention to the panel on the right side of your screen. Here, you will have to find a section named Effects. Click on it, and from the new drop-down window, opt for the ticker effect. As soon as you do that, your static images will start showcasing some movement. Now, although the ticker starts looping your image stack automatically, it need not necessarily align with your aesthetic requirements from the get-go. You may want to change the speed or the direction of the images on go. Fear not, for the same Properties panel in Framer that helped you initiate the ticker effect also gives you the power to customize it according to your whims and fancies. You can change the direction of the scrolling, adjust the speed to your liking, or even create an attractive fade effect to add that professionalism and smoothness to your animation. An additional tip for those who wish to handle dynamic content is to integrate your ticker with a CMS collection. By establishing this connection, you give your ticker the ability to populate the scrolling elements dynamically. This means Framer takes care of updating the ticker's content for you. Imagine how much time you save by not needing to manually add each item. And there you go, you have successfully animated your social proof elements using the ticker effect. Now pat yourself on the back, as your viewers would be mesmerized by the professional-looking and interactive social proof animation that you've managed to create in Framer. Remember, practice makes a man perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment and try other stylistic elements to make your web page truly shine. That's all for now, until our next tutorial.